you. Oh my goodness, super yummy, delicious, and super yummy, 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 yummy. Look at that. Makakagutom. OMG is nakakagutom portion of my cooking show. Look at that one. Love, love, love this. See? You see what I'm cooking? My special recipe is this is the recipe that I love the most. Ayan. Hindi ko lang alam yung sayote ko. Lumambat na ba? Kunti pa. Tapos, look at that. It's mais. It's corn. Corn. Yummy, 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 I need you. I need you. I need you. Try na natin. Yummy, 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 la 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 need you. I need you. I need you. Hi, Santos Gofta. Hello, Santos. Hi, Kamal. Kamal, Constant. Hello, 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 everyone. Yeah, very good. Very good. It's very, very good. Oh, I'm chicken blood cubes. So yummers. It's yummers. Look at that. I need you. I need you. Ayan, ayoko nang maalat. I don't like more salt. It's, tama lang. Sila masyadong maasin. But ako, I don't like maasin. Yummers. So, what are you waiting for? We will put this. Para talagang merong hindi hindi sili. Grabe, ang lahat pa lang ng 149 na. Saan ka pa? My goodness. Paano makakakain ng ayos pag hindi? Napakamahal ng mga bilihin. So, ilagay na natin itong mga palangga. Ayan. Okay. Okay, wow. My chicken tinola is very delicious. Oh my goodness. I need you. I need you. Look at his face. Look at them. Look at me now. Wow. Complete ingredients. My chicken tinola.